Hey, what's up? It's your boy Steve here, and I wanted to make this really quick video, guys, to give you an update on what's been going on with $25 1UP. We now have been in this program almost 90 days, short of 90 days. We pretty much started our whole marketing campaign around October 1st, October 2nd, and we definitely have made almost $45,000 since that time frame. Not to mention a lot of people on the team that have made thousands, some even over $10,000. So it's been a ride, and you know what? It's still going strong. Still getting those $25 payments. Still getting those $100 payments. Still getting those $250 payments, and still getting those $500 instant payments. Right? Instant commissions. Right? Nothing like instant 100% commissions, and that's what we have here. I'm just kind of floored with what's been happening over the past almost 90 days. And I know, and what's interesting is that we all got started here near the end of the year, where a lot of times historically a lot of people start to unplug from the internet in terms of marketing and stuff. People kind of pump the brakes a little bit, and because you got family events and travel, and of course the holiday season and everything that comes along with that. It gets kind of hectic and busy, especially with a lot of family stuff. So historically a lot of people start to kind of slow down. But what's been interesting is that we've done our team has done very well closing out the last quarter of 2018. But with that said, even though we've had some great momentum, it's still the holiday season, right? So there's still a lot of people that are kind of unplugged, kind of waiting around for the new year. So just imagine what we're all gonna do starting 2019. So if you had, if you closed out the year, for those that are already on the team, on Team Elevate, you're currently right now part of $25 1UP. Congratulations. For those that have had some great success, hey, we haven't done nothing yet. So just wait till 2019. Wait till after Christmas, because that's when people's mind starts to open up. Hey, I need to do something different, whatever. And guess what? We're going to have something for them to really help them transition into success for 2019. Because remember, guys, what makes this program so popular is because it's instant 100% commissions. There's no waiting to get paid, right? We've got incredible training, we've got incredible tools and resources, and it's just going to get better. I've been working with the admin TJ, and I'm not gonna say anything because we got some really cool things coming out for 2019, and this is the time to get in position. I know a lot of times we want to just kind of lean back, and I'll just wait till the first of January, and then I'll start and get going. No. You want to get in position now, get started, get everything set up, get access to our system, get access to our training. Because remember, people that come in, remember there's 4 different levels. There's a $25 level, which is gold, $100 level, which is platinum, a $250 level, which is diamond, and a $500 level, which is called enterprise, that's my #1 recommendation, because it automatically qualify you to earn commissions for all of the lower levels. Okay, that makes sense? So that's my #1 recommendation. Bare minimum, if you're coming into this program, you definitely at least bare minimum want to get the gold package, which is 25, and you want to get platinum. Okay, you want to get the gold, which is 25. You also want to get platinum, which is 100. So it's like 125 bucks plus your $10 hosting fee, that's roughly about 135. That'll get you in position, because that'll give you access to our special marketing system that we got. And we got some things we're working on for people that are at least platinum and above. Okay, so you guys, know how we do things, right? I mean, it's no secret, right? I got some pretty cool video stuff I'm going to be making, and you definitely want to use that, because that system, and that's the reason why I tell people, get what I have. If you have what I have in terms of marketing, the same system and so on and so forth, we can really help you, if that makes sense, right? So you at least want to have gold and platinum, right? So you can get access to the same exact marketing system that we've used that's helped us to earn almost $45,000 since October 1st or 2nd. Whenever I think it was like the 1st or 2nd, when we first started. So, and we have a lot of people that have hit the leaderboard that's on our team, people that we've referred, people that they've referred, that have been on the actual leaderboard of the company using this marketing system and having access to our special training. Because remember, for people that have gold and platinum and above, get access to our special VIP, platinum training and system that we use that's really helping a lot of people to get some results. So it's December 21st, and still waking up to, instant commit. Matter of fact, this morning woke up to a $500 commission, just this morning. Who knows? It's gonna be crazy come January 1st. I mean, really after Christmas, things start moving pretty quickly because the dust kind of settles a little bit, right? The holidays, Christmas is over. A lot of times people have a little extra cash flow because of presents and things of that nature. So it's a really productive time, like late Christmas evening, going on through January 1st and beyond. So and then after that, it's just pandemonium after that. So you want to get in position now. You don't want to wait, simply because you can get everything set up, have everything going, already have your plan, your strategy, everything all set up. So come around, when January 1st comes around, you'll be ready to rock and roll. You already have everything laid out and you can go ahead and move forward. So I'm fired up, guys. I'm just excited. Congratulations to everybody that's been winning in this program since we started. A lot more people that are going to be winning in 2019 for sure. And I'm just excited, to be able to share this information with you. So with all that said, you should be watching this video because I sent it to you in an email, or maybe you're watching it on YouTube or Facebook or whatever, however you're watching this video. There should be a link somewhere in the YouTube description, on the page, or a button or something that can allow you to get in position for those that aren't already in. Okay, so if you're not already in, go ahead and get in position. Go gold, go platinum, or go diamond, or go enterprise, which that's my #1 recommendation, because it's going to qualify you for all the lower levels, and but just going to put you in a much better position. Because, guys, I'm telling you, it's nothing like getting a few $500 payments in one day, and a lot of people on our team have experienced that and everything. So we got great training with the products of $25 1-up offers, systems, capture pay. Man, we got it all. All you really need is to make a decision to get in place, because we got everything covered and we got more coming. And so if you like how things are now, and I'm speaking to the people that are already in, if you like how things are now, just wait, because it's about to get really serious in 2019 with this program. So I'm fired up. I'm excited. Glad we took took the opportunity to take advantage of $25 1-up way back in was it late September, like the 27th or 28th. But we didn't start marketing until like several days later. But I'm glad. So it's been a ride, and it's been a fun ride closing out 2018. But we're about to take 2019, to the moon and back. So or beyond the moon. I mean, just all the way through the cosmos. So I'm just, as you can see, I'm just rambling because I'm just fired up about it. So with that said, guys, I got to run. I got some things I got to do. And but hey, check out the information. Click on the button or link in the YouTube description or wherever you see the information, so you can go ahead and get in position and get access to those special bonuses. Remember, that's the thing. You want to get access to those bonuses. Our special training, our special marketing system that is available for all our members that are gold and platinum. So you got to have both of those bare minimum. If you're coming in at diamond, you're automatically going to get everything. If you're coming in at enterprise, you're definitely going to automatically get everything. So you definitely want to make sure that you're at least gold and platinum. Get both of those packages so I can go ahead and send you those special trainings, special access to our system, so you can set that up and get, it's real simple. Just fill out the form and boom, you got your system. Make sure you get everything set up. Just follow the videos in the back office that we got. And that's the system that we've used that's helping us to make all this money. It's the same system that we've used that has helped a lot of people on Team Elevate hit the leaderboard, getting $500 commissions, $250 commissions, $100 commissions, and $25 commissions. It's the same exact system. That's the one that you want. So with that said, guys, hey, I'll let you get to it. I know you got a lot to cover. I know you got a lot to do. And go ahead and get in position, and we'll see you inside the system. Peace out.